How to find Venmo card number. Welcome back to Glitch Sorcerer, and let's jump right into this video. To find your Venmo card number, you can go ahead and launch a Venmo application. Log in to your account. At the bottom of your Venmo application, you will see the cards option. You can select the cards option where you'll find two of the cards, that is your Venmo credit card or Venmo debit card. You can also select the setting gear option at the very top, and from here select the option of Venmo card. When you tap on it, it will display your Venmo debit card or your beta card, that is a credit card. However, you will notice that it only displays the last 4 digits of your card. This is because for the privacy and security reasons for your own safety. This is because if the full card number is displayed on the application, it can attract identity theft, hack, and even fraud. So if you really want to see your Venmo debit card or credit card number, you can just check it out in your physical card number. However, if you have misplaced your physical card number, it is better to report it or disable through your application or reorder a new one. For that, you can check out the help and support of Venmo. And that's a wrap for this video as well. Hopefully this was informative and helpful to you.